Some owners of the iPhone XS Max complained about not being able to update some of their apps. The problem reportedly started after the iOS 13 update. This issue happens every now and then, but it's not actually that serious. In fact, you may be able to fix it by doing a couple of procedures. Hey guys, RJ here from thecellguide.com, and in this video, I will be showing you what to do if your iPhone XS Max can't update the apps. First solution: quit the App Store and force restart your iPhone. Most of the time, this problem is just due to a firmware glitch affecting the App Store. So, the first thing you have to do is close the App Store and then force restart your iPhone XS Max. Here's how you do that. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen, and stop at the middle. Swipe up on the App Store preview. Now, quickly press and release the volume up and then volume down buttons. The moment you release the volume down button, press and hold the side or power key until the Apple logo shows on the screen. Your iPhone will continue the usual boot process, so wait until the reboot is done. Once your device has finished restarting, try to see if apps can now be updated. Second solution: factory reset your iPhone XS Max. If the first solution failed to fix the problem, you don't have to do anything else but the factory reset, because it's clear now that it's a firmware issue. A reset will surely fix it. However, make sure to create a backup of your important files and data. When ready, follow these steps to reset your iPhone. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed with the reset. After the reset, set up your iPhone as a new device. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.